Hey guys, it's so nice to have you back on Purposeful today. For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Kripa and nutrition is my jam. So in a day and age that's ruled by social media, it's easy to believe that everybody else is doing so much better than you. That everybody else is losing weight and gaining muscle much faster than you. That everybody else has their lives together and you just don't. And that you're the only one with problems. But here's the thing, behind our perfectly put together lives on Instagram, absolutely nobody has their stuff together. There is no everybody else, there is no perfect. We all have our cake binges, the days we miss the workouts, the days where we struggle to get out of bed. It happens to all of us. There is no perfect. So learn to be okay with not being okay. Living a healthy life doesn't mean living the perfect one. It's not perfect training, it's not perfect nutrition, and it's not perfect thinking. The pressure of perfect is extremely toxic and it's extremely stressful. Our body loves gentle changes and flexibility. So set up realistic goals in your mind because you're 100% capable of achieving the goals that you want without losing your mind while you're at it. You can regain control of your life, you can overcome emotional eating, and you can take care of others while still taking care of yourself. The fact of the matter is that you probably won't love every single part of your body. What's important is that you love it as a whole. So that's it for today guys. If you like what you see and want to stay updated with the latest fitness, nutrition and health tips, like and subscribe below. Until next time, keep beasting.